Hello to everyone. Well, in this video, I'll show you how to earn free PayPal money by clicking boxes. You can learn useful information about topics like how to better yourself and how to generate money online on this channel. It can be difficult to stop using this money-making technique when you see the money coming in non-stop. What if I told you that all you currently need is this website that will pay you massively to just click to close the deal? We're about to investigate and find out. It's fantastic to watch videos and catch up on social media, but these activities don't really pay you for your time. Now before we start, let me invite you to Coinity. In this channel, videos are made to educate you how to earn money online fast and easily without experience, and no money needed from you. Now, let's jump into it right away. Because I don't want to keep you folks waiting, the website's name is OG Ads. Find its link later in the pinned comment below. Returning to OG Ads website, you can easily monetize your website, blog, app, or social network profiles using the Content Locker's revenue-generating features. All you need to get started is a smartphone, a laptop or tablet, and a stable internet. In order to prevent you from becoming confused too soon, we will go through each step in great detail. As you can see, you can download and use this software on both an Android or an iOS smartphone because it is accessible on both the Apple App Store and the Google Play Store. According to the website, you can check your stats while you're on the go with our feature-rich mobile app. Even from your phone, you can get links to market and build content lockers. You may earn a lot of money online quickly and effortlessly while out enjoying dinner with friends, going to events, watching movies, or doing anything else. Due to the method's accessibility on mobile devices, it is possible to use it even when you are not in your home. It's crucial to browse the website and understand what it offers before signing up so that you can benefit from it. If you have any queries or something is troubling you a little, this page has all the information you need. Simply go back to the top of the page and scroll all the way up until you see the sign up button. Clicking that will bring you to this page, where you can begin the registration process if you haven't figured it out yet. Because there are 4 steps involved in creating an account, you might feel a little overwhelmed once you land on this page. On this page, enter your username, email address, and password to set up your account. They'll ask you to confirm your password simply to be secure, so you'll need it. Once you're finished, select the next step button in blue by clicking it. The address information will then be presented to you in the next section. The following step is to provide your first and last names, your address, current city, region, postal code, and country. You won't need to spend much time on it, and you'll be prepared to begin. To access the third section, which has questions for general information, click the blue icon once more. It's important to fill these fields out completely because if you don't, they won't be able to approve your account. Now, for question 1, why do you want to work with OG Ads? Just say something like, I want to use the platform to make money and promote it as well. Just make sure to answer every question to the best of your ability, with professionalism, creativity, and resourcefulness. You might be unique in your own way and list any reasons for working and making money using OG Ads. For the next question, how did you hear about OG Ads? You can mention the platforms you got the information about OG Ads in this section. It could be Facebook, Google, or even YouTube. It's not wrong to quote Coinity. Either way, you'll have the same chance of getting in, so just put whatever you want. For the third question, how long have you been performing CPA? I want you to select the option for 6 to 12 months from the options they have available. They will see that you have more experience working in this industry as a result, making you a strong contender to join their platform. For question 4, what are your monthly earnings? Choose $100 to $250. Then, for the next question, just list previous networks you've worked with. Simply type in all of the networks you've been a part of, fill in the necessary information. You don't have to collaborate with any network to be accepted and begin using this platform to generate income. Now, moving on swiftly. Let me remind you, subscribe to Coinity if you haven't subscribed yet. And remember to turn on notifications for you to get notified when a new video drops. Share your thoughts in the comments section below if at all you want to know anything about making money online. The next option provides all traffic source information. Any niches or accounts on your website that aren't used by OG Ads or made public are listed in this section. How are you going to start promoting our services and monetization tools? You can input your accounts that might aid in the marketing of OG Ads services or use the link to this video in that section. You are merely asked to list the existing content locking websites you own in the second inquiry. If you don't have your own websites, you may still answer the third question, which merely asks you to say United States traffic, by entering the links to your social media accounts, such as Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and others. You should mention all of your promotional accounts in this section, along with the numbers of your followers. The following section, the promotional social account, can be started after you've finished the previous section. Simply provide the login information for any relevant social media accounts you may have, including those on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, TikTok, YouTube, and Snapchat. The final component of this part is all about your contact information and comes when you successfully complete the previous section. Simply write in your phone number, Skype, Kik, and Telegram account information, check your entry for accuracy, and then click this next button to move on to the last stage. This page will then be opened for you to examine their terms and conditions. After you've done that, check the box that reads, I agree to the terms and conditions, and then finish this capture to prove you're a human and not a robot. All that's left to do is click the blue button to finish once you've finished that. So now that you have your account, now here is how you'll earn. Once you're in your dashboard, find the tool area. Below incentive tools, you'll see this link that says Capture Lockers. Click on it to be taken to a page where you can read more about what you're getting into. After you've done browsing the page, select Create CAPTCHA Locker from the menu. You will then be taken to the page where you may access the legitimate money-making strategy. Simply enter Incognito Money CAPTCHA for the locker name and leave the notes field empty. Finally, select the option for redirect, which commands the redirection to another URL. Then, in the redirect URL section, type incognitomoney.com. After you have completed entering that specific information, click on the advanced section to go on to a different set of fields that I will walk you through filling out for the necessary conversion. I suggest selecting 3 to make more offers visible to those who view it, and then going big and choosing 8 to get the most offers. It really wouldn't harm, so aim high. Move on to the device-specific section and just follow the directions carefully. Simply enter Content Locked Capture Verification for the desktop description. Enter CPI Prioritized, followed by CPA and PIN to move on to the desktop offer type sort. Leave the description field empty after pasting the desktop title into the mobile title area. Go to the desktop version of the mobile offer type sort now. When finished, press the Create Locker button. In essence, a CAPTCHA is created, but in order to pass it, users must fill out a locker to demonstrate that they are genuine people. Since users must successfully complete the CAPTCHA in order to access the website they are entering, this is quite helpful. That's how you are going to earn your fortune, my loved ones. Just as simple as that. And now, if you want to make even more money, watch the next video to learn how you can earn more money by watching YouTube videos. This is a new method for making free PayPal money by simply doing nothing, which anyone can do, regardless of background. Yes, it is doable, and I'll show you precisely how to accomplish it in that video right there. Check it out. Thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to leave a like and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of the new content. As always, watch the next video to which shows you the best way to earn money online using Google News Tricks.